In the evolving construction industry, drones and satellite technologies are proving invaluable, particularly for large-scale projects. These tools can transform the sector by capturing precise details, providing an overarching view of project progression, and enabling data-driven decision-making. Drones and satellites each offer unique insights and are most effective when combined with traditional methods like in-person surveys. They support various project aspects, including schedule adherence, budget management, quality control, safety compliance, environmental impact, and stakeholder communication. When it comes to schedule adherence, drones and satellites monitor on-site progress. Satellites assess high-level adherence, while drones focus on specific structural steps. For budget management, both technologies track resource allocation and discrepancies. Drones excel in volumetric measurements, and satellites provide a high-level overview. In terms of quality control, drones offer detailed imagery for structural analysis. Meanwhile, satellites detect broader area changes that might affect project quality. For safety compliance, drones identify specific safety lapses on site, while satellites monitor large-scale hazards. Satellites excel in monitoring environmental KPIs, tracking changes in local ecosystems and ensuring compliance with environmental standards. Regular visual updates from drones and satellites enhance stakeholder engagement by providing detailed and comprehensive project views. Drones primarily serve as engineering tools, capturing detailed measurements, while satellites function as management tools, offering high-level project assessments. Specific KPIs include trench depths, excavated material volume, structural element placement, machinery presence, and overall construction progress. Different projects require different KPIs. For instance, infrastructure projects benefit from drones measuring power line distribution and satellites counting turbines. Civil engineering projects leverage drones for geometric analyses and satellites for broader progress and environmental impact assessments. Drones and satellites offer insights for large-scale construction projects, enhancing efficiency, quality, and project success. Embracing these technologies can propel the construction industry into a more precise, informed, and sustainable future. Check out the full story about KPIs on Geoawesome website.